So now I literally told my mom I'm going in a shop and they've left me.
She's missing her parents.
Do you have their phone number?
They have Indian phone numbers. Yeah, let's go. I'm trying to film my morning routine, please. Thank you. Gratitude. All this works. So the outfit today, top is from Urban Outfitters, which, let me just say, Urban Outfitters they had like 20% off their sale items, and I got this shirt, which was originally $9.99. I got it for 20% off. And then these pants I got from H&M for $7.99 on sale, and I really, really like them. My mom got me the new Adidas shoes. Today's park hint, let's just say we're going on an African safari in Orlando. Orlando, you are so beautiful. It is so beautiful, like it looks just like a jungle, just like a rainforest. It's so warm and sunny, which is a typical Orlando day. I think yesterday we just didn't have as much luck. Take a video of this. On our way to our first ride, but we saw this gigantic, beautiful structure. Look at this. On the nice camera. Wow. Imagine someone built that. I'm gonna say it right here, right in front of everyone. Love yourself! So right now we're in line for a ride that we actually don't know what it's called.
We know what it's called, Avatar.
Is it Avatar? No.
Yes.
I haven't eaten breakfast, so I'm eating a green apple, which is my favorite. And while you're waiting in line, it's so amazing. I thought, what do you
I just want to hi. So we're in line for Avatar. Can you just turn it around right 1 second? You see what's going on behind me? It's all man-made, but they've actually created this beautiful, beautiful environment for people to enjoy. And when you're in an environment like this, imagine if you were shooting for a movie like Avatar, how difficult it would be to arrive here to shoot for 8 or 10 hours and detach yourself and go outside to the
real world.
The real world.
Yeah, and thank you, Mom. We got these elephant trunks, you know, these fake plants. We got these tusks coming out. Just trying to show you, look at the lines. This is where we were waiting, and now we have to wait in this one. So it has been about an hour since we've been waiting in this line. We're almost there. We need to get up there to where that green exit sign is, and we're currently back here. But there's a green exit. No, I have the exit sign. I'm not even joking. I had to sit down because my legs got so tired. My dad's really grumpy though because he didn't want to wait in line. We got a bit double with him. So I found something out. One real avatar in here. You know what? I'll say it later. I honestly don't know when it ends because all you do is keep walking. Okay guys, so we're in line and I met Valerie. But she told me about how she like got over her insecurities and like not loving herself, and how she started loving herself.
You have to like get close to people who spread positive, like positive comments, anything positive at all. Try to watch videos of self-love, like people saying, have a nice day, you look great today.
Or like YouTubers who are positive, right?
Indeed, just try to put yourself with positive people.
It's so nice talking to her. We're both just waiting in this like long ass line. Which school do you go to? Because if someone watching this goes there.
Deltona Middle School.
Huh?
Deltona Middle School.
What?
Deltona Middle.
Oh. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the ride.
Bye guys.
Chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar.
Starting system-wide diagnostics. Help us out and move around a little.
I have 2 heads, Mom. Look.
Oh my god. I was gonna film the ride, but also my camera had no memory. It was so magical. I don't want to ruin it for you. Like, it's kind of like if you go through Flyover Canada, but like more extreme, like a roller coaster. Oh, it was so crazy. I absolutely loved it. We literally spent 4 hours trying to get into that Avatar ride, just to find out that now we can't go on our safari. It's closed now because the Avatar took so long. It's gonna be a long lineup for Expedition Everest with the amount of people going, and my parents made me. I literally told my mom I'm going in a shop and they've left me alone in Disney World. I love how the first thing I did was stop to take a thumbnail. They had a little girl, she was also dressed in black.
Were they in here?
I'm not sure. I can't seem to find them.
She's missing her parents.
I'm missing my parents, yeah.
Do you have their phone number?
They have Indian phone numbers.
Perfect.
Thank
So
you
guys
so
are all
much.
set?
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
What happened to you?
I was waiting at the shop.
Which shop?
What shop? In front of the where you were. What? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, he's breaking the trail track. No please, no please. Oh my god, we're going again. Oh what the hell? Why is it broken? Are we going? We're going backwards! We're going backwards!
Like a whole brand new.
Okay, sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to attempt to do a skincare routine. Oh yeah. I just put the pimple cream on so well. It is currently 11:36 p.m. I should probably go to bed now. We gotta wake up for an early 6:30 a.m. workout. That's the goal. To be a better version of you every single day. Remember, stand tall, stand proud, boobs popping, but like don't break your back. And walk your runway. Like, walk your runway. You are a boss, babe, and that means you are enough. We have so much planned for tomorrow's vlog. Stay tuned for that.
Nobody pray for me. It been that day for me.